Hello, it's Miss Hake back for some numeracy. Part, part, whole. That is an amazing concept. And what even is more amazing if you have some dominoes. Dominoes are a great example of part, part, and then getting the whole number on top. So for example, I'm going to tilt this down. Ask your little learner to pick out a domino. So 4 and 0 make, what's the whole? They can either write it on top or they can say it out loud as they draw a domino. Part, part, whole. 6 and 3. You can ask them to count the dots, or if they might just know, they can put it on top. So this is a great way of learning and exploring through dominoes, part, part, whole. So giving each learner, if you don't have a big set, that's okay, a couple, and they can figure it out. And then they always get into stacking and playing and figuring out different things with dominoes or matching 3s and 3s. There's so many things you can do. All right, but first we can practice 1 and 2 makes a whole. So, all right, have a good job and have a good time, Miss Hake. Do a good job and have fun adding up your dominoes. Bye.